I want to thank you for viewing this Plygem YouTube video on tips to installing various types of siding for your home. Today we're going to talk about an exciting new option, and that is Plygem steel siding options. We have a lot to talk about here. This isn't used all over the country, but it's a great option, has a lot of benefits. So let's just show you what we have. I want to remind you later on, we're going to show you some installation videos on how to install it. I just want to introduce you to the product. Anytime you're working with any metal or any siding at all, you should make sure you have safety glasses on, the proper gear for your hands when you're working with metal, and of course, ear protection. So Eric is all geared up, and let's show you a little bit about steel siding. Again, Plygem makes a lot of different profiles. We've got a couple here to show you. We have a 4x4, we have a 5x5, we have, and he's showing you the profile, a 5x5 Dutch lap, we have a single 8 panel, and then we have one that's very popular in steel. See the wood grain in there? It's a beautiful panel. And we have a board and batten panel that's very wide. It's a 10-inch wide panel, so it looks really good on the house. We have 20 colors in all these different panels, so there's a lot of options, and a lot of them are very deep and rich. Let's talk just a little bit. Again, come back to see the installation video, but steel siding is really cut in 2 ways, and that's the thing we just want to go over real quick here. There is a guillotine. You can see there's a special die in there that matches the profile. So you would just put your panel right in there, and then Eric will show you. It takes a little bit of muscle, and you slam it down, and it actually cuts that siding, so you have the end cuts. Well, let me show you another option. You can use tin snips a little bit, but they're very hard to use. What most people do is they'll use some sort of a circular saw we have set up here. Now, again, come to the installation video, and we'll show you the exact saw and what speed you need. So now you know how to cut it. You know the main panels. Let's go over and talk about a little bit of what else is available. Trim coils also available for the steel to finish off the window areas. We have seamless siding coil, so the product can actually be run in the field as a seamless product. And we have fascias that are in 4, 6, 8, and 10 inches wide that's already preformed. Let's let Eric show you some of the accessories now. We're going to start with the starter strip first. And we're going to show you the starter strip special to steel siding. And you can see it's made just for the steel. We want to show you one of the J channels that are available. There's 2 options on the J, but the one that most people do is a 7/8 inch pocket J with a 1-inch face. These are all made out of steel, matching color. We have a finished trim that's available to you also. And again, that's used at the top of the wall under the windows. And again, that's very available and in all the colors. So now the last accessory we want to show you is a little bit more complicated because it's the outside corner accessory. For the inside, you can use 2 Js. The outside, we give you 2 options. We have a 1-piece corner post, which you would use if you already have the panels shipped to you, and it works very well, and the panels sit right in there. But let me show you another option. When you're running seamless, if you do that, or you want to have your panels installed, this is the base of a 2-piece cover. He already has it up. Maybe he can show you how to put the cover on. So you put that up first, and then you're just going to, you install your panels, which we'll show you on the wall, and then you'll put your cover on. So let's go over to the wall, and we'll show you what we're talking about. We already have that base already installed. You screw it through the holes that are already there or nail it. Then you install the full wall of the siding. We're just showing one panel here. Then you take that special 2-piece cap, and it actually snaps right over the base. Now you've got your panels already installed. Steel's a little harder to work with, so you can put it in and then put your cap over, and now you've got the full system. So again, I ask you to come back. We'll show you more details of installing steel siding, but we want to thank you for checking out our YouTube video. Continue to check YouTube for more of the exciting Plygem siding and accessories.